Ever wondered how people are making 100 just from short videos? What if an AI could do the heavy lifting, scripts, posts, visuals, all in minutes? Today, they'll show you how to make money using Kling AI. Hey, welcome, my name is Smart Gabriel, and here, tech meets income the right way. What is Kling AI? Kling AI is a powerful AI video generator that creates high-quality, cinematic short videos from just a prompt. Think of it as your entire video team in one tool. No filming, no editing, no fancy gear required. 2. How to make money with it. 1. Sell shorts to brands. Offer viral ad videos to small businesses, influencers, or e-commerce brands. 2. Monetize YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Use trending topics to create content that grows fast and earns from ads or affiliate links. 3. Sell video packages on Fiverr, Upwork, AI-generated reels, motivation shorts, or product promos. 4. Grow a niche page. Build a faceless content channel. Health, money, motivation. Grow followers and monetize with sponsorships. 5. Repurpose written content. Turn blogs into reels, scripts into animations, or books into visual summaries and sell as a service. Here's your quick start plan. Pick a niche like business tips or travel reels. Write a script or prompt. Paste into Kling AI. Download the video, post it, or sell it. Conclusion: you don't need a studio to go viral, just smart tools and smart strategy. Start with Kling AI, stay consistent, and scale what works. I'm Smart Gabriel. Subscribe for more tools that help you turn tech into income. AI is the shortcut, but consistency is the secret.